Hey guys, Tatra Mountains here, coming to you from Zakopane. We're going up the mountains today, up this massive 4-kilometer long chairlifty type, not chairlift, it's like a cable car. It's going to be really awesome. It's raining at the moment, but we hope that as we get higher up into the mountain, this rain turns to snow and it'll be really quick.
Yep, quickly.
I'm starting to see some snow. It's snow. We're getting closer.
Bears!
That it's snowing outside. It's the first time I've ever seen snow coming out of the sky, and it's really exciting.
That's so deep.
Can't tell.
You can't see anything!
What are we doing?
Careful, sweetie. Oh my god! Ben! Are you okay? Do you need help? See, look, there's some icicles up here.
They're pretty dangerous, but you know, I know one simple solution.
Oh no!
Yum. Looks like ice cream.
Oh god, how could you bite it?
It's a new day now, and we are currently hiking up Mount Nossel. It's a pretty low elevation, but it's kind of the only one that we can really do because it's still rather snowy. A lot of the trails are very unsafe, so we picked an easy one. We'll see how we go, and hopefully we find some wild animals like a squirrel.
Or a bear.
Or a bear.
Just kidding.
We've been going about 100 meters and we're already pretty puffed. They're like, look at this. It's pretty steep. Whew. Holy steep, look. You might know, but we're on like a, what, 45-degree angle right now. And look at this.
It doesn't look that steep in the video.
Yeah, it does.
We have to demonstrate. Go.
Like, I literally have to put my hands on the stairs to get up. Okay, I'm good now. But geez, this is some pretty steep. We're coming to the end of the disgusting, dirty mud path because it's turning into actual, like, full-on snow path. So let's see how this goes. Kat really isn't a fan of any of this at the moment. She doesn't like her shoes getting dirty. Run! We're okay. Cat's turn. Keep coming. Skills. She's over again. Let's go, follow me. It's like skiing without skis. What? She's fallen over. Come on, Cat, quick, 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 go, go, go.
Look at my ass, everyone.
It's wet. We're coming to the end of our walk and we're greeted with this beautiful sights of this snow-filled forest. We have a nice little river flowing right here.
Like under the snow.
Yeah. It's been a really, really fun day. And even though we've been slipping on our asses for about the past hour or so, and we probably still have a few more to go, it's been really fun. So, see you next time.